Todd Bubba Horwitz joins us now for the Trader Rundown. As many traders are right now, people are really watching the 10-year Treasury moves because as money moves into bonds, could potentially move out of the stock market.
Right, but what we're seeing here is the 10-year is starting to push through in spite of what the Fed wants to do. Interest rates are rising. This over 3% level could be very important because there's a lot of people that are in the equity market that would prefer not to be in. And at 3%, all of a sudden you're coming back to the logic, well, the markets pay a 3.25% dividend, 10 years pay 3%. That could create money coming out of the markets because people want, on fixed incomes, are looking to be safer, and there's no safer place than 10-year treasuries.
So what would you do here?
Well, what I do is I'd sell the market. I'm not really concerned about the overall 3%. To me, it doesn't matter. But again, I'm not retired. I'm not on a fixed income. So for me, I'm looking to play the equity markets, and I'm looking to actually hedge positions and stay in. I believe that equities over time generate 8% year over year. So to me, the equities are a much better play than bonds. But again, that everybody's got their own tolerance for risk, and they've got their own tolerance for how much they want to expose. And if you've worked your whole life to make some money and now you're at retirement age and you want to make sure you don't give away your principal, then 10-year treasuries are a very safe place to be.
What do you think about the Fang names that have been reporting in this week?
Well, I think they're going a lot lower. I think that, as we've said here for the last couple of months, they've been well overbought. They're great companies. I have no problem with any of them, Amazon, Google. However, you cannot continue to price in 15, 16, 17 times, 18 times earnings and have these stocks go to the moon and expect them to keep going to the moon. At some point, they're going to see some selling, and we saw that with Google on Monday. It had great earnings, and the stock was down about 6% on Tuesday. And I think this is more what you should expect going forward, and not because I'm negative of the markets in general. I just think at certain points you have to have some selling pressure, and I think this is the time it starts.
Thanks so much for coming on the show. Have a great trading day.
Thank you.
Check out businessfirstam.com to find out where to see our entire show. And don't forget to like, follow, and share Business First AM.